I can't be this fine and not be blue. And jump way.
Show them what you got. You've seen from the title of this vlog, we are going to Ololua. But before we hit the road, I just felt like there was something important that I needed to pass across. So I also came to the realization that it is my duty as a social influencer to create awareness to the people that I'm associating myself with, which is you. So anyway, guys, there's so much anger, so much frustration on like these issues that are affecting the world right now. Several vices have come to the fore, and of course these vices have prompted people to march to the streets intentionally, of course, to just voice out their feelings out there for a good cause. I'm talking rape, I'm talking police brutality, and I'm talking racism. So as we've seen people marching to the streets, of course in Nigeria, we've seen some people in Kenya and in the United States of America. So mine today is just to urge all of us that yes, we're in this together. We are just using different weapons and resources to fight the same, to fight the same vibe. If you are a painter, paint something about these injustices. If you are a musician, sing about it. Don't belittle yourself. Don't feel like you have maybe very few followers on your socials, but just know that the moment you start, you influence like 100 people, they're going to influence other 100 people who will in turn influence other 100. So it's a continuous chain that will end up birthing into something revolutionary. And also let me remind you that, like the greatest revolutions to ever live, they started with a mere hashtag. So be involved, like hashtags, man, very important. Also sign those petitions, people, sign them. You are participating in a good cause. So I also just want to tell you that no, hope is not an illusion. No, hope is not dead. Let's keep the hope alive, but let's also do something about it. Make nice about it. Well-behaved people have never made history. So yes, just be responsible, but do it with honor. Oh, driver, oh shit! Let's say hi. At the waterfront mall just to grab a few snacks, enjoy this beautiful view, and for a brief photo session.
Hey yo, it's a video, Miss Photographer. It's a damn vlog. Yeah, it's a damn vlog.
Looking sexy in a mask. So guys, we're just here to grab some snacks Then we hit the road. Wait, why are you guys buying Indomie? Look at this one, buying Indomie for a picnic. How are you gonna make it?
Make it till you make it, yeah?
No, wait, you guys are you're gonna take it home or you're going to make it?
We're gonna burn it up with our love.
You're gonna... Okay. You're gonna... Okay.
More than lava does.
Ish. Sorry. We're finally at Ololua. Man, wow. It was quite a journey. Like, people wanted to stop everywhere. So it's 4:30 p.m. and really I can't wait to explore this trail. Yeah. Okay. And this place, man, like if you're an environmentalist and you just want to come and hear like the birds chirp, this is the place for you. If you're a tree hugger like me, you just want to come hang on trees like a monkey, this is also the place for you. And also this place is, you know, like it's in the heart of Karen, Nairobi, Kenya. Very hidden, you know, like it's very far from like all the chaos, all the chaos of the world. Like this place is so peaceful, and because of that nature, you can also just come and, you know, unwind from meditate, man. Like this place, the air is so precious.
I can't be this fine and not be beautiful. And Jabway.
Show them what you got.
That's dope.
Say hi to my vlog.
Amosi, I say hi, nimewasalimia.
Tell them to subscribe.
Wasa subscribe. Kama bado subscribe, itabidi umechangamka.
Yes.
You're sleeping on yourself. Subscribe. currently niko na deni ya fuliza.
How much?
Ni kama credit. Nani ako na 15 bob?
Kata keki tukule sasa.
Kata keki tukule sasa. Kata keki. Kata keki.
Kata.
Kata. She's behind this creation. So guys, I'll just leave her details and the link down below. Make sure to check her out. But then this cake is really nice. That's my video. That's my video, girl. Hey, you're looking really nice, by the way. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, bye. So anyway, an observation that I've made. When you're coming, just hike here, man. Just don't be intoxicated. This place is steep. It's actually steep. Plus, like at the waterfall area, it's dangerous, man. So you need to be like extremely sober. Because I've witnessed 3 people fall into the fall today. Man, you don't want to go through that. You don't want to go home dripping brown water, you know. So anyway, that is something to put into consideration when you're taking this trail. And man, it was really interesting. I also didn't mention that the entrance fee is 200 Kenyan shillings. It's like $2 for Kenyan citizens. Come and have fun. That was it. Bye.